So you're thinking of building a putting green. Here's how we did it, and I certainly would recommend it. So this green is roughly 5 meters by 4 meters. Supplied the cups from Amazon, fringe grass from an offcut. A few tips, I think, when building a green. You want to start with a MOT type sub base. Compact that in, make sure you wet it down, get it all flat and level. Then you want to go back over with your 0 to 6 mil fine grano dust. This is where you're going to add undulations and the type of surface you want to play on. With this green, we went for 3 levels. You may be able to see it here. The back hole here has about a 1.5-inch height difference from the side hole, with the lowest hole here being the lowest down. This one's probably about 4 inches lower than the top hole here. We've gone back when compacting the base in the grano dust, and of course you want to lay a weed sheet down or weed membrane to ensure that you don't get anything popping through. The surface we used is 15 mil Pro Putt. Took a 5 by 4 meter piece as mentioned. I found actually flipping the grass upside down to cut the shape that I wanted gave me the cleanest cuts, so this could be a good recommended tip for you. The fringe grass is about a 22 mil pile fringe. After research found that you want to do no more than 35-degree angles when turning the grass around corners and seaming the fringes. Seam tape seemed to work pretty well for this. Some standard nails and grass pins also helped. As we take a walk around, we filled it with white gravel just to help for drainage. And when playing onto the surface, it still gives you a nice bouncy feel. A good smooth roll, probably around 11 on the stint meter. This green for pitching onto works extremely well from any distance, as the bounce doesn't carry too far, so you can pitch from